Hey everybody, it's Thursday, and if you said John's going camping, then you're right. So I'm packing up, grab a couple things from in the house, and I am out of here. We are heading out to Pymatuning State Park. Catch you soon. Towing good. First time on the highway. Cruising about 64 miles an hour. Not bad at all. That semi just went flying by me and I didn't get any suction whatsoever. There is no need for expensive hitches. I have one sway bar and my weight distribution. It's perfectly fine.
Pymatuning State Park, located in extreme northeast Ohio. At 7514 Pymatuning Lake Road in Andover, Ohio. This park features 373 total sites, 18 full-service sites with 30 and 50 amp service, 334 sites with 20 or 30 amp service, and 21 non-electric sites. There are heated shower houses, flush toilets, and laundry facilities. A picnic pavilion is available, along with basketball and volleyball courts, and also playgrounds. There is a small beach for campers located near the center of the campground. Free Wi-Fi access is available for registered campers at the camp office only. Please note pets are permitted on all sites except for 88 through 108. Known for walleye fishing, this is one of the best inland fishing lakes in Ohio. The 14,000-acre reservoir, which lies in Ohio and Pennsylvania, offers a 20 horsepower limit. If you are fishing, you will also find crappie, black bass, bluegill, some say 8 inches or longer, yellow perch, white bass, and channel catfish. You may also find an occasional trophy muskie. Either an Ohio or Pennsylvania fishing license will suffice if you're boat fishing. However, bank fishing requires a license from the applicable state.
So this is my site. This is site 174. A little bit wet over here, but that's okay. That's the back of the camper. So there's this beautiful F-250. The boat ramp is literally right there on the other side of the trees. And this is my site. I do have neighbors very close, but it's not bad. So let's just take a little walk. There's a little trail right here across from 174. So I'm thinking tomorrow when we, maybe tomorrow, bring the kayak out. I think I'm just going to launch right there at the ramp. These are the sites over here that I wanted to get because they are more wooded. So that's site 53 right there. These are full hookups. These are the new full hookups. Okay, I think this is the site that our friends the Kiefers are going in, 158. It's a short site. It's probably only about 25 foot long, and it is full of water. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday morning. The sun is shining. It is very warm, and I think I'm going to go out and spend some time on the water. I have 2 other videos where we use the inflatable kayaks, and if you haven't seen those, I'll post links to them here. But I'm going to get this thing going and get out on the water. And there you have it. That is a Sevylor K5 inflatable kayak. Got a little pouch back here you can put stuff in, which I think I'm going to put some stuff in there. And it's very lightweight. So now I need to get my license, my life jacket, and my paddle. Walk over to the boat ramp. So, I don't know what it's like in other states, but in the state of Ohio, even with a blow-up kayak, or any kayak, you have to have a watercraft license. Well, it's hard to put one of those stickers on an inflatable kayak. So this is what we came up with. Took a piece of plexiglass and stuck the sticker to it. Melted some holes in it. We tried to drill, see, and broke that. Obviously that wasn't going to work. Melted some holes in it, put some clamps on here, and I just connect that to the kayak. So we just take this, stick it right back here, and we're ready to go. That quick, less than 20 minutes, and I'm just going to carry it right over to the other side of this camper and launch there at the boat ramp. Well, I'm on the Pennsylvania side of the lake, trying to find the campground. All I can find are cabins, but I come across this. Check this out. It says Bat Motel. It's a bat condo. They got a little door, which probably is on the other side, and they have these roosting crevices. They promote them because they eat so many insects. So that thing must house a lot of bats. Wow. That's really cool. I bet you that thing is just full of bats. It's Heather, and she's not feeling well at all. She went to stat care, and I don't think they diagnosed her right. But she's here, and I told her she didn't have to cook, but she's cooking. So let's go see what that sweet little angel's doing. Hi, babe. How you feel? Crap-a-doodle-doo. But this is home, like your shirt says. This is home. So what you making?
Stuff.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Okay. Oh yeah. Steak, fries, and burgers. Yummy. That's where I hide my kayak. So I'm so glad you're here, honey. But I know you're so sick. That will make you feel better, I promise.
What?
That kiss.
Oh.
I have healing kisses. So
Yeah.
that means
I don't feel as bad as I did when I got here, though.
You feel better?
Well, then I took that Tylenol and made my fever come down.
You still feel warm. She got out of the car when I picked her up at the parking area, and I gave her a hug, and she felt like she just came out of an oven.
Yeah.
So we're gonna eat.
They gave me a bag of they gave me a bag of tricks.
I just walk around like this around her. What are the bag of tricks?
A Z-Pack and some cough syrup.
Alright.
Some Tylenol and
You shouldn't kayak tomorrow.
yes, I should.
Oh, we did a good
You don't
deed.
tell me. Ow!
What's happening over here?
Talk to me.
And
What?
like I didn't even care. I was just like, and
Whatever. Jill.
so that's it, right? Do you have anything else to say? Oh,
Jill. Yeah.
where does the actual sneeze go? Like all the snot and the liquid? Because you just say achoo and there's nothing. Like when I sneeze, I'm not just saying achoo. There's like mucus and bodily fluids flying out of my nose and mouth.
It's disgusting.
Where are your fluids?
Why do you do that?
That's how you sneeze. What else is a sneeze? It's not just a achoo. You say achoo and it's a sneeze. To qualify as a sneeze, you gotta have snot.
Jill.
Yeah, see, there's nothing going. She's not human. In the comments, put down, and when you sneeze, does it sound like Heather, or when you sneeze, does it like a volcano erupting? All right, I will leave you with this. She said, I'm going to the island. Well, Heather's not really that sick because we just paddled from clear down there around the edge all the way across back in a cove and then straight over to here in the wind, and she's not even out of breath. So we're on this. This is a little island. We just put the kayaks up there and let's go explore. Watch out for the goose crap. Honey, what if there's aborigines that come to kill us?
Maybe.
What's this, like a burial? area. Pretty cool. There are mosquitoes everywhere. So we're back home, and we just want to review Pymatuning.
We do.
Let's just start off with how much we liked it.
I really, really, really enjoyed this park.
I did too. And then Saturday morning, we got a good night's sleep. I think we did.
Absolutely.
We got up Saturday, and I was like, "Do you want a kayak?" And she's like, "Heck yeah."
So we did.
So we did, and we ended up going out to that island. And she was better than I was.
But on the way back,
The way back was hard.
it was bad.
It was very
I was
challenging.
just lost my energy coming back.
Yeah, but it felt great. It was, what a beautiful lake. There's eagles. There's all kinds of wildlife.
So go ahead. Oh, you were talking about fishing. You'd like to go back to fish.
I'd like to go back and fish there.
I'll sit at the camper and read a book.
Okay.
But I would like to go for more than a weekend.
Yeah, yeah. I'd like to go all the places we go, just one more day.
I know. So
I say, Pymatuning, if you haven't checked it out, check it out. Great, great campground. Take your fishing pole, definitely, for sure.
we have an adventure coming up, not this coming weekend, but the weekend of the 20th. And you guys need to stay tuned to see where we are heading.
It's free camping unless the rules change at the very last minute.
Remember, the only thing better than a campfire are the memories you make around it. We'll talk to you guys later.